students, we are trying to solve this question today. Sketch the graph of the following function transformations. The A part over here, I'm highlighting it. It is a y is equal to 3 times the original function. So this is a vertical stretch by 3. All the y coordinates are 3 times the initial value. And if we try to plot this using graphical calculator, this is how the graph look like. As you can see, the y-intercept over here was 1, now it is shifted to 3. So all the points are having a vertical stretch of 3 units. This was our first part. The second part, B part, says y is equal to f of 2x. Now we need to be very careful over here because here it is a horizontal stretch as 2 is inside the f part. Whenever there is a horizontal stretch, the stretch will be the reciprocal of it. So my horizontal stretch will be 1 by 2. So for the same y value, now I will have the x value which is half the original value. And if I try to plot this using a graphical calculator, this is how my graph looks like. As you can see now, the graph is shifted. See this green line. The graph has shifted towards the y-axis. Means for the same value of y, now I have a lesser value of x. So the graph, as you can see now, is shifted towards the y-axis. This is how you get a horizontal stretch. The C part, as you can see over here, is having 3 transformations which are clubbed together. One is a horizontal translation of -1, this part. Then you have a vertical stretch by -2. See, this is important. It is a vertical stretch by -2. And then you have a vertical translation by 3. Now, because we have a vertical stretch of -2, the graph, if you plot using graphic calculator, will be reverse in the downward direction. It will be the mirror image of the original graph because my vertical stretch is -2. Now see, if the vertical stretch would have been +2, I have just drawn a graph below that for us to understand. This is a vertical stretch of +2 over here and this is a vertical stretch of -2. But because it was minus sign, the graph is reverse. It is a going towards the negative y-axis, whereas when it was a stretch of +2, it was going towards the positive y-axis. Last part of the question now, when you have y is equal to f of -2x. Now this is a reflection about y-axis. Now see, understand question B and D. B is y is equal to f of 2x. D is y is equal to f of -2x. The only difference is the sign. Because it is -2x, it will be a reflection about y-axis, because now for the same y value, I will have a negative x values. So the graph will be reflection about the y-axis. I have drawn both the graphs for us to compare. This was f1 is equal to 2 times x and the mirror image is f1 is equal to -2 times x. I hope this is clear, all the translations. Thank you for watching.